Pakistani analysts have said that any future Indian strike could prompt a large-scale missile response targeting key Indian economic hubs to impose greater costs. An Indian Air Force S-400 air defense unit has created a shoulder patch named the Long Shot, commemorating the shoot-down of a Pakistani Sub-2000 AWACS at a range of 315 kilometers during the May 2025 conflict, which is also the longest ever air-to-air kill in military history. Magellan Shipbuilders Limited has expressed interest in becoming the anchor investor for Andhra Pradesh's proposed 29,000 crore rupees mega shipbuilding cluster in Tirupati district. The Indian Army and Mahindra conducted a forward repair camp for retrofitment of brake pad wear indicators on Armado Light Specialist vehicle, showing the after-sales support of private defense contractors. Lucknow-based Hoverit has announced that its Divyastra Mark 1 long-range strike drone is equipped with advanced controlled reception pattern antenna technology, which protects it from jamming and ensures accurate navigation. Canada-based Magellan and India's Aequs Private Limited have operationalized a 55,000 square feet advanced aerospace processing facility, supplying components and assemblies to major global aerospace firms including Airbus, Boeing and Safran. After completing Phase 1 trials focused on surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities, the DRDO now plans to integrate the Astra Mark 1 air-to-air missile with the Meteor-NG male UAV by 2027, along with precision-guided weapons like the Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon, Helena anti-tank guided missiles, and laser-guided rockets for strike missions. The Indian Air Force will acquire several hundred additional Hammer standoff weapons to strengthen the Rafale's precision strike capabilities. Already integrated on the Rafale, the expanded stockpile will bolster sustained operations. The Ministry of Defence has issued an RFI for Indigenous mortar specialist vehicles for the Indian Army under the Make in India initiative. The vehicle will support 81mm and 120mm mortars, operate up to 17,000 feet, and feature rapid automatic mortar deployment with air transportability by Chinook and Mi-17 helicopters. The Armoured Vehicles Nigam Limited has issued expressions of interest to broaden industry involvement in blast protection systems for the Future Infantry Combat Vehicle program. The Indian Army will induct 1,750 FICVs in the first phase, with a long-term requirement exceeding 2,600 vehicles, and an estimated value between 60,000 and 65,000 crore rupees. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited could face financial penalties for delays in the delivery of the Tejas Mark 1A light combat aircraft to the Indian Air Force, with the program now running approximately 2.5 years behind schedule, raising concerns about the prolonged slippage. Despite the delivery of 6 F-400 and 4 engines by General Electric, Hindustan Aeronautics is yet to deliver a single Tejas Mark 1A to the Indian Air Force. The Indian Army Chief has confirmed that the Indigenous Zorawar light tank is expected to enter service by 2028 to 2029, with the program currently undergoing design refinements, user evaluations, and production readiness assessments before induction. While earlier induction expectations centered around 2027, the revised timeline reflects the Army's focus on ensuring the platform fully meets operational requirements. India's acquisition of 114 Rafale fighter jets under the MRFA program will provide access to the latest upgraded MBDA Meteor-NG missile featuring an enhanced data link, improving long-range engagements, electronic countermeasures performance and in-flight target updates. The 300 km range Meteor-NG offers a larger no-escape zone, better resistance to jamming, and greater flexibility to retarget missiles mid-flight, making it more effective in modern network-centric warfare. Indian Air Force Chief's visit to France officially focused on the 114 Rafale deal, local production, weapons integration and future Rafale upgrades, but discussions also covered the 6th-generation Future Combat Air System. The Air Chief has previously indicated that India is more likely to join an established international program rather than develop a 6th-generation fighter entirely on its own, with a decision on a potential partnership expected by the end of 2026. Today's top 3 comments.
budget.